Okay, hello. Welcome to the next unit. This will probably be our last unit for the year, actually, and it should span about 6 lessons. Um, so about 3 weeks because you have two topics each week. This is the first one. It's a very easy kind of introduction to this topic called transformations on a graph. Okay. Um, there's a Google document with the same format that we've been following, and everything you have takes on an Edpuzzle video. You've made it to this one, so you're winning already, and some BuzzMath questions. We're going to focus on using BuzzMath now for this last section because it's a pretty good unit that they have, and it's a little more interactive and in depth than using Khan Academy. Excuse me. So I'm going to attempt to go through a few bits and pieces here. The first lesson is, like I said, is a review and an introduction, but we need to take up some of the keywords that we have to cover. Okay, I'm just going to move my screen over here. Okay, so the first word that you're going to see on the BuzzMath questions is this thing called the Cartesian plane. It's a fancy word that we use for a graph. Okay, so this thing here on the left is called the Cartesian plane. I'll get a pointer. Yeah. So the Cartesian plane has two axes. The two axes are here the y-axis, the one going up and down, and the x-axis here, which goes left and right. Okay, so those are the two axes, the y-axis and the x-axis. This point here is called the origin. It's the middle. Okay, it's at the coordinates 0, 0. So the origin is the middle. And you'll often see these two words, horizontal and vertical, and I cannot tell you how many times students mix them up. Probably because you're learning English in addition to your own language that you know. But horizontal is this one, flat on the ground. Okay, and vertical is up and down. All right, so that's the first lesson. It's very easy, but I just wanted to get you started on this idea of translations. Oh, wait, one more thing. Just remembered, and I'm going to move my face. Okay, this comes up also. Sometimes it says about vectors. Okay, vectors are just showing the direction that you need to move on the graph. Okay, so it's an arrow on the graph, and it goes from like here to here. Perfect. It's just telling you that you need to move 6 squares to the right and 4 squares up. Okay, the vector is an arrow that shows the direction that you need to go. Okay,